Do you sell configurable products or modular systems? With an online configurator, you enable your customers to take product design into their own hands. Using a visual, easy-to-use online front end, your customers can configure individual products and even lay out multiple products to form entire systems. The size and type of your products does not matter, because with our configurator technology, virtually any requirement can be met. Products are typically configured in your customer's web browser using a combination of simple questions and answers, option selection, and interactive 2D or 3D graphical layout techniques. Your design rules are embedded within this environment to avoid common configuration pitfalls. In the example configurator shown here, the end result is a 3D assembly and associated bill of materials, which are securely stored on a server together with the customer's details. The server-side backend then processes the stored data using a CAD system to automatically produce 2D and 3D deliverables that are emailed directly to the customer. With an online configurator, you can deliver whatever you need to make a convincing offer. This could include, for example, a sales quotation together with 2D drawings, 3D models, images, AR/VR content, a parts list, and even engineering calculations. You can also incorporate standard product data sheets and brochures if you wish. A configurator can do so much to support your entire sales process, whether it is B2B or B2C. In addition to automating the design and quotation process for customers, all deliverables are automatically generated by the system and sent directly to the customer or your sales team. You determine the entire process to optimally support the sale of your products. Our configurator technology can also be integrated into your system infrastructure to work seamlessly with your CRM and ERP systems, thus supporting both you and your customers in the selection and configuration of your products. Contact us now to discuss your requirements. We'll be happy to discuss your requirements in detail and show you how your processes can be effectively supported with an online product configurator.